Do you remember your first kiss? Girlfriend, boyfriend?
Yes, absolutely, girlfriend. Yeah.
What age?
I was 15.
A late starter.
How young did you kiss?
Kiss? Like maybe about
On the
9?
lips? On the
Yeah,
lips? Really?
yeah.
Yeah, which school did you go to? I should put my children in that school here.
We'll talk afterwards. Yeah. Why do you hold your ear like that?
I don't know. It's big and it's like a...
It's not a ritual of some kind, no?
No. It's big and I like to feel it.
Moving swiftly on.
Quickly.
Okay, as briefly as you can, define the kind of relationship that you share at the moment with these people. Imtiaz Ali.
Heart, man. Like, love him to death.
You're full on like bromance is going on here, no?
You know, I've just met a man who's, just to match up to his sheer brilliance has challenged me so much, because I'm in love with him. If he was a woman, I would marry him in a jiffy. He's just lovely,
And this is not just promo talk for Rockstar.
No, and
this
is not only because, and I'm not even saying that he's the most talented director in this world or anything. He's just a great guy. He's a solid guy, He's a man.
Nargis Fakhri.
Darling, really darling, and I really hope she does well. And I hope she stays in touch with me after this movie, because she's a bit of a traveler and on the journey of life, and she could just I'm scared, like after 3 days suddenly I get a call and I say, where are you, man? She's like, I am in New Zealand kayaking, that's what she's like that. So I hope she stays in Hindi movies for a while and gives something to our cinema.
Deepika Padukone.
I'm going to be working with her soon. Not too much in touch with her. She's a big reason for whatever I've become today as a person, because of the relationship I had with her. I think it taught me a lot of things. It grew me up. Sonam and me are like always in a love-hate relationship. We are like two children, because we're still stuck in those Savaria days when we were like two children.
And even before that, she's called you a fart buddy. That you sit together and you fart.
Yeah, I mean, I know her since she was a child. But yeah, there are few things that she said about me, even post the Coffee with Karan show, which is not nice. I also kind of spoke to Anil uncle about it.
But not to her.
Well, Sonam kind of will take it badly. And I don't want to hurt her because I'm really fond of her.
Sometimes it's easier to do that.
I know, I do understand that.
Katrina
Kaif, man, she's really inspiring, The kind of success that she has right now, it's amazing. And I know how hard she works. And honestly, she's the coolest girl I've met in my life.
So are you friends still or not?
Absolutely. We're not working together, in the next few films that I'm working on, that she's working on. But really, such a cool girl.
What would your epitaph say, or what would you like your epitaph to say?
See me in the movies.
We shall. And all the very best.
Thank you, Cole. Really pleasure being on your show.
Thank you. And come back.
Yes.
Call me up and say I'm dying to be on your show.
Can I take this home?
Okay, sending it.
Done.
Log on to headlinestoday.in or follow my tweets at Koel's Couch. On the Couch with Koel.